Hi, I'm Sarah Bagzadeh, your tutor on this course, Revit Architecture. Building Information Modeling, BIM, is a new process and approach in design, construct, operate, and maintain diverse buildings, supported by various tools and technologies. Among all softwares and tools, Revit Architecture, considered by many to be the best BIM solutions in international market. By holding more than 7 years of experience in BIM industry on different type of projects from designing to construction and maintenance, I can assure you that it's very essential and important to know BIM tools for anyone in any related fields of building and construction industry. I would like to invite you to come and join me on this course. I will walk you step by step through almost all important features of the software. By the end of this course, we will have a 2-level house design together and generated drawings. See you soon!